episode. I haven't done these episodes in ages. I'm just going to do a random little play thingy. I don't really know what I'm going to call it. But I'm just going to go on Ocean's Lovely World. Survival. Wait. I got something special for you. Very special. And I'm not going to save this because it's not going to work. I'm going to only do this video for about 20 minutes. So sorry if you really want a bigger video. And also, this is my first time going on the cartoon texture pack. So everyone can tell me what everything looks like, and I'm only going to look at some things, so yeah. Oh, look at the kitty! Oh, look, that looks like a fish. Oh, this is so amazing already. Can't see it right now because it's night, and now it's morning. Let me get out of bed. Oh, look at the little doggy. So yeah, I'm just gonna go on a stroll around. Oh my god, yeah, you want to see some things that I did? I can't teach anyone how to talk. I have no idea how to actually make that. It's the Xbox sign. And yeah, I took about 30 minutes to make one. No doggies, no Barkle, no Mars, no. Jeez, don't go in there. Oh look at the wall. Oh, that's epic. Oopsie. So yeah, I'm just gonna. I know how much Snowy has wanted a girlfriend, so I'm just going to go and buy a girlfriend. But then I just noticed, Snowy, there's no girls here. There's no doggies. Are they inside? Oh, I love that. That's never brick. No, they're not even here. I don't understand why. What's this? Snowy, come over here. Look what I found. I found you a girlfriend. Oh, come on, puppy. Oh, he's so cute. Yeah. Anyway, I'm actually gonna look around for once. When I'm not too distracted by these trees. And if you hear me make a weird noise like that's basically because I've got a really sore throat. You might have heard it just then. That's the cat. That's what the kitties look like. Oh, they're so cute. Right, let's go and see. Go across the empty. Hi, doggy up there. You can have a see you that one. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I love this texture pack. My first time ever using it. I love it already. Oh, doggies, 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 doggies. Well, since I got a new puppy, you to get it something, but before I do that, I want to play this quickly. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm bored already. I can take that with me. Play a bit of notes. Oh, come on, Meanie. I'm just doing some simple redstone like this alarm. So yeah, that will get a bit annoying if you keep that on all night. Yeah. I don't really need anything. Here's the snow blood. Oh, I love them. Glowstone. That is so cute. I'm just, yeah. Oh, I like how I've done the road. That actually looks really cool. So yeah, we're just gonna have a look around my world. Oh, look at my hospital. Oh, my hospital looks amazing. Not because I'm saying that because I built it, but oh, it's so awesome. It's like an iron door. Yeah, an iron door. Oh, the optician's room and the feeling nice cooling ice room and oh, wait, let me play around with this. Oh, bomb. Come on. See my painting. Oh, I do like these, actually. Oh, these are cool. Oh, I like these. I want to get back to that toaster. I like that. Give me back that toaster, please, sir. Please, sir, sir. Sir, please. Let me go and put my golden helmet on. Oh, where do I look? Sorry, I'm having so much fun with this texture. Oh, I like that. Aww. This is the cartoon texture pack if you want it. You seriously... Oh, I'm gonna walk away. I'm scared. Doggies! Come on. Come on, babies. Wait, no, I'm not, no. Jenna, you're not gonna do any more parkour. You know how rubbish you are. Oh. Please. Oh, this is actually quite cute. Oh, I actually love this. I love this text pack. Oh, this the Stampy cat. Stampy, if you're watching this is Mr. Stampy cat. Yay! I don't even know. I tried to do it my best, but it's not that good. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna call this cartoon texture pack. No, I don't know. What am I gonna call this?
You'll have to go onto the menu and then get
my brothers just came in. Yeah.
Give me a minute. Oh, by the way, you can't save the world.
Yeah, we're not allowed to, yeah, we can't save the world until we've finished. And that's my brother, he didn't know that we were recording. No. I forgot to tell him.
Nick's kidding me.
And guess what I found, Lyndon?
What?
A little puppy in a basket.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm gonna leave it up to you guys to leave it in the comments to what you want to name that little doggy. But I think I want to name it Lola. I don't know. But you can choose.
What the?
I look a bit.
What arm are you wearing? Are you wearing chicken and
I look a bit. Right, let me
what
put
can
my
we do?
chicken.
It's a chicken and like a bear or something, isn't it?
Yeah. So,
Crispy bears.
don't make, please, people. If you're watching this right now, don't make fun of my stupid car what I've made. Please don't, because it's. Look at it. That's my car.
If you went into my world, I'd show you it, but I don't know if it would work.
It's retarded. Oh, I like that.
You made the bloody thing.
I like this McDonald's. Sorry if my brother.
Has bad language, but it's just me. I want the dogs. I want more food.
I think the dogs want to order McDonald's. Oh, jeez. Okay. Oh, actually, I'm not going to feed them. I'm not going to feed them.
1 second, people. I have to get my phone.
Yeah, my brother's a bit cuckoo sometimes. Pond. Left pedal. Ah, it's so cute. Oh, look at all my doggies swimming. Yeah, sorry if you hear talking in the background. That's my family and stuff. Chicken. Oh, look at you. For God's sake, let's do some parkour. If. Nailed it. Sorry, it's felt like doing that. I've done a pool thing. Doggies, get out! I'm leaving it open for them because I don't want to squash them. Look, it says, oh, come on! Alright, I'll open this. It says, nothing in here. There's a stack of diamonds. There's a stack of diamonds and then carrots and pumpkins below. Pumpkin and carrots. Because they taste nice. Eat cake! Always eat cake! Love. Eat cake! You have to eat cake. I think I'm going to make a golf course next in the world. Oh, it has a happy face. I don't really know what to talk about. So I'm just going to go along showing you the world. You okay? Sorry if you see my family and hear them. Oh, look at him. Sit. It's coming down. Hey doggy, are you okay? Wait. guys.